Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is complicit. It is pronounced complicit, and it is spelt C-O-M-P-L-I-C-I-T. Think comp, then lick, without the K at the end, and then it. Complicit describes someone involved with others in an activity that is unlawful or morally wrong. For example, you could say the bank worker was complicit in the bank robbery as they purposefully left the doors unlocked. Therefore, they knew about and assisted the crime, making them complicit in it. The word complicit comes from the word complicity. Complicity is the state of being an accomplice or partner in wrongdoing or an objectionable act, and it comes from the French word complicité, meaning accomplice, comrade, or companion. Did you know that Dictionary.com voted complicit as its word of the year in 2017? After searches for the word rose over 300%. The word of the year in 2018 was misinformation, and 2019 was existential. What do you think the word of the year for 2020 will be? Complicit is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say, by hiding the evidence, I was complicit in the crime. Complicit can be turned into complicity, which is a noun meaning the state of being involved with others in an illegal activity or wrongdoing. For example, you could say, their complicity in the robbery will probably earn them 5 years in prison. Complicit is defined in the dictionary as involved in or knowing about a crime or some activity that is wrong. Complicit synonyms include conniving, deceitful, duplicitous, scheming, involvement, and participation. Antonyms include clear, forthright, honest, open, naive, straightforward, and unassuming. Now, I doubt you will be complicit in any bad behaviour today. But if you do notice someone, perhaps on TV or in a book, participating or being involved in an illegal activity, impress your friends and family by pointing out that they are complicit in the crime. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.